Today we'll talk about how can you delete accounts on your Fastic app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you just click here on your name down here, and just click on it, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings, and just click here on settings. It's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, just go down here. So you keep going down. When here show for you delete account, just click on it. Then you click here on delete account, and automatically it's going to delete with you on your app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.